Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use checksum command. So it's not fully checksum, but this is cksum command in Linux. So this command will print the checksum of a file and also count the bytes of the file. So let's try to make a file. So let's do echo hello Howtodojo, and we will get the output of this echo to file named hello. Okay, and then we will use the command cksum hello. So as you can see here that this is the checksum and this is the bytes count of this file. So as you can see that this is 17 characters, so this is 17 bytes. It has no option actually, so let's try to open man cksum. So the option is only help and version. Okay, so if we open info cksum, it will also provide similar output. And if we open the help, we can try cksum help. So this is help and provide two options that it knows, and we can try opening the help itself. cksum, sorry, help is already open, so the version, what I mean. So it will print the version of core utils, not the cksum itself. So this is the GNU core utils version installed on my system. So that's it for the checksum or cksum command in Linux. Hope this video is useful. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe to the Howtodojo channel. Thank you. See you next time.